Hello everybody, welcome to MATLAB tutorials. This is Tanmay, and in this tutorial we will learn how to solve equations in MATLAB. So equations can be solved using the solve command. I will explain how to do this with an example. So as you can see here, these are the two roots of the above equation, x square minus 2x minus 4. Now these equations are not in decimal form. So to convert them to decimal form, you have to type this function. So now we have got the above roots in decimal form. Now the solve command that we have used here is not limited to just quadratic equations. You can also solve higher degree polynomial equations as well as many other types of equations. If you want to solve equations involving more than one variable, then you should specify which variables to solve for. For example, let us see this equation. So this is the answer of the above equation. What this means is that y is equal to e raised to 2x, which means that we have found out y in terms of x. So if you would have mentioned x here, let us see what result we get. So this is the answer that we get. After this, you can also specify more than one equation and get the answer for those equations, which means that you can get the intersection point of both the equations. Let us see an example. So these are the 2 points where these two curves intersect. The first one is a parabola and the second one is a straight line. So if you see this answer, there are 2 points of intersection, and if you want the x and y coordinate of each point, you have to type this command. So this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate of the first point of intersection, and if you want the x and y coordinates of the second point, you have to change this 1 by 2. So the solve function also works well with exponential and trigonometric functions. Let us see an example. So this is the intersection point of e raised to minus x and sin x. So if you see in this graph, this is the curve for e raised to minus x and this is the curve for sin x, and both these curves intersect at a point which is just above 0.5, which is close to 0.58 as seen here. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next part, we will see the operations on vectors and matrices, how to populate matrices and how to work with them and use them in different ways. So till then, goodbye and take care.